I've caught fish on spinners. It's never been a confidence bait for me. I just always catch more stuff on worms. But we'll give this old chatterbait a go and see what we can come up with. There we go. Caught one. Little dink on that big old chatterbait. Wasn't expecting that. Wasn't expecting that. What is that, 4 or 5? Can't remember. Oh my God, oh shit, this is a decent one. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, he got off. No, he didn't. Oh my God, that's a hog. That is a hog. Oh man. Oh, freaking chatterbait coming at you. Oh, don't spit it out, dude. I want to weigh your ass. Oh, dude. I bet that's a 4.5 pound. That's bigger than a 4.5 pounder. Oh my God, look at that. That is a bucket mouth there. Oh my God. Oh man. Let's see how much she weighs. Oh, dude. Dude. Ah. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Oh, it was barely in there. Oh, look at that fish. Oh, she is beautiful. Let's get a scale on her. Before I do like every other YouTuber does and says, oh, look at this 8-pounder. Look at that 8-pounder. This ain't no 8-pounder. But I bet it's a 5. That is a 7-pounder. 7-pounder. Oh, let's let her go. Oh man, that makes me very happy. That makes me very happy. Here you go, sweetheart. Back in the water. Okay, come on. There you go. Heck yeah. Woo! Nice. I gotta call my buddy who was supposed to come with me.